A very good morning, students. Today we have started a new topic, that is creating tables and database in LibreOffice Base. In earlier we have discussed about the LibreOffice Base, what are the base, database, tables and row, field, column. Okay, so now we are start how to create a table in a database by using base. Clear? So I'm giving one example. See, first of all, if you want to take an admission, there must be a school, right? In the school, there must be some classes, right? And in a class, there are some sections which contains the students. Okay. So think about this. On the same way, in a LibreOffice base, the first step is we have to create a database. Okay. Inside a database, there must be some tables. Okay. And inside a table, there must be a field which contains the records. Clear? So the first step, we have to create a database. On the second way, we have to create the tables, and after creating the tables, we have to insert some values or some fields or data inside the table. Okay. Okay, the first step, you have to create a database. Okay, so you will create a database and save it by any name that I am using here, that is school DB. DB means database. Okay. After creating the school database, next my task is to create a table. The second step is to create a table. Okay. So whenever you create a table, there you get two options, that you can create by using wizard or by using the design view. Whenever you choose the option that is wizard, in this there is a pre-made task, pre-made fields, pre-made tables, everything are there. Just you select from the given options. Okay, so whenever you click on a wizard, there you get an option that is select the table, and there you are getting two options, that by using the business and personal. Okay, in business there are so many tables related to business, and in a personal there are so many tables of a personal. Okay, so you can select a table, and the same way you are getting so many fields related to that table. Example, when I'm clicking on an employee table, there I'm getting the employee detail or employee field detail, that is first name, second name, last name, address, city, contact number, postal code, everything. Okay, but you can choose only that fields which are necessary for you or for your table. Okay, this is the task of. Now by using the wizard, you can create a table with a predefined fields. Okay, so whatever you choose on the field, that you getting here. Okay, like name, id number, id number, password, etc. Clear? But whenever we are choosing through a design view, there get your blank table of field name, type and with a description. Okay, here you have to give the field name, and in the same way you have to choose the type, that already I'm discussed about in the last last video, that is what are the field type, that is char, varchar, number, integer, float, everything. So according to that you can choose here. Okay, not necessary to give any description. Okay, these both the field are very important. Okay, once you give a whole detail, after whenever you're going to save that, It is asking for a option that is the primary key. Okay, so now discuss about a primary key. What is primary key? The primary key field is a unique field or a unique value that mainly used to indicate or connect or make a relation between the two tables. Okay, every time the primary key contains only a unique value. What do you mean by unique value? That means the value which is not repeated in a whole table. Example, when I am putting a ID here and I will make that as a primary key. Okay, so whenever I'm putting the ID in the inside of putting a value ID 203, that I'm never again repeat that as a 203. It's showing something going wrong. Okay, that means when I make a field as a primary key, I have to put this must be put a unique value. Okay, this is the main importance of which shows in a relational database management system through which we can relate our tables. Example, in your student table, the admission number is not repeated for the whole year. Okay, like I am taking a number 8103. The 8103 of a admission, sorry, I'm not taking admission number as a roll number. That roll number is not repeated for the whole session. It's not, you're not getting from the any section of 8103. It is unique. It's a unique roll number. Okay, so that I can make the roll number column as a primary key. On the same way, your Aadhaar card number, your admission number, your IDs, whole we can make as a primary key. This is mainly used in a relational database management system. It is the main use of this is make a relation between the two tables. Clear? Okay. So this whole about creating table. Once you created a table, then the next step is to create a form. In the same way, by using the two options, that is using wizard or design view, everything is same like your creation table. Okay, like by using wizard you can use the predefined things by in your form and the report also, and by the design view you can arrange, you can make your form and report according to your necessity. Okay, so think everything you're all understand properly. Now I'm giving some practical example of this in the next video. Okay, thank you.